All of you, good morning, my students. Today we can discuss about the last video class. That means here we can discuss the scientist name and its discovery our country, right? So first of all, so number one is J.C. Bose. So J.C. Bose discovered the short radio waves. Here the short radio waves. So the short radio waves are used to radio communication system, satellite communication system, so etc. Already know that, right? So it is a short radio waves. So J.C. Bose is a Indian scientist. He is the Indian scientist. J.C. Bose, short radio waves. He discovered the short radio waves. Indian scientist. India. Country is India. So second one, W.K. Röntgen. Understand? W.K. Röntgen. He discovered the X-ray. Discovered the X-rays. So he is a German scientist. So here X-rays are discovered by Röntgen. X-rays are discovered by Röntgen. X-rays are produced by heavy atomic weight elements. For example, molybdenum. They are bombarded with the fast moving electrons. The unknown penetrating radiation will be emitted by the high atomic weight elements. So this is known as a X-ray. Thus radiation are called X-ray. Thus wavelength is X-ray. Right. So it is named by the Röntgen. So he is the Germany scientist. So third one is J.J. Thomson. Here the J.J. Thomson. So already know that J.J. Thomson atomic model. Already know atomic models. First one is J.J. Thomson atom model. Already know that, right? So J.J. Thomson can discover the electron. They can identify the electron. Right. So here he is the United Kingdom UK scientist. J.J. Thomson is the UK scientist. Right. So J.J. Thomson discovered the electron. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Next one, fourth one, Mary Skłodowska-Curie. Here the Curie is the name, right? So she is the discovered the radium. She was discovered by radium and polonium. There are the two radioactive elements, radium and polonium. So these elements are discovered by Curie, and then you can study the natural radioactivity. So the phenomena of natural radioactivity can be explained by the Curie, right? So she is a Poland scientist. Poland scientist. So next one is Albert Einstein. So Albert Einstein, theory of relativity. You can explain the theory of relativity. A modern physicist. So here explanation of photoelectric effect. So here the photoelectric effect can be explained by using of quantum mechanics, by using of quantum theory by Albert Einstein. 1905, in the year of 1905, can explain the Albert Einstein. They can explain the photoelectric effect by using of photoelectric effect can be explained by the Albert Einstein by using of quantum mechanical theory. So the theory of relativity, and also for explain the theory of relativity. Theory of relativity means here any object, or motion of any object can be explained in the reference frames by using of reference frames. So here the theory of relativity. He is a German scientist. Albert Einstein is a German scientist. So next one, R.A. Millikan. So Millikan discovered the measurement of electric charge. J.J. Thomson can discover the electron. Here Millikan was discovered the measurement of electric charge. Measure the electric charge E by specific charge value, E by M value. So it is a Millikan oil drop experiment. By using of Millikan oil drop experiment also, you can know that. So he is a USA scientist, United States of America. So next one, Victor Francis Hess. So he can identify and discovered the cosmic radiations. So universal radiation, one of the universal radiation, a form of ions. It is a cosmic radiation. So her country is Austria country. Here the Austria, right? So Victor Francis Hess was discovered by the cosmic radiations. So these cosmic radiations are discovered by Hess. Simply it's called Hess. So here is a Austria scientist. Understand? So once again can repeated. Then so how you can remember it? First one, J.C. Bose, short radio waves. J.C. Bose discovery of short radio waves are discovered by J.C. Bose. So here Rontgen. So he was discovered the X-rays was discovered by Rontgen. He is the first physician, Nobel Prizest, Rontgen. So J.J. Thomson, discovery of electron. So Curie is discovered by radium and polonium, the radioactive elements of radium and polonium, and also you can study the natural radioactivity. He was studied by natural radioactivity. Albert Einstein, he got the Nobel Prize in 1905, right, in physics. So here explanation of photoelectric effect by using of quantum theory, and also for theory of relativity. So here next one, Millikan can be measure the electric charge value by using of oil drop experiment. So next one, Victor Francis Hess. He was discovered the cosmic radiations. So and also J.C. Bose, Indian scientist. Rontgen, Germany. Rontgen is a Germany scientist. J.J. Thomson, UK, United Kingdom. So Curie, Poland. Curie is a Poland scientist. So here also Albert Einstein is Germany. So next Millikan is USA, United States of America. Millikan. Hess, Austria. Hess is Austria. So our country is Austria. So Hess is the Victor Francis Hess is Austria. Country is Austria. Right. So in this way you can study the scientist name, discovery, and countries. So you can remember it. Also last video discoveries and scientist names our countries. So next video can meet them another few of discoveries and scientist name. So all of you subscribe my channel, like the videos, and share to your friends. Understand? So share our videos purpose of for education, for more concepts, right? So thank you my students.